Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Factory World. Today I am going to restore this old Impact National EZT611 Screwdriver. As you can see, it's covered in rust and grease. Let's see if we can make it work again. Disassembling of parts. First, let's take it apart and see the internal damage. Remove the screws one by one to open the casing. Now remove the required screws. Opening of required tools. Now all the tools in front of you. So first of all, we remove the rust on it by brush. Now I am using a wire brush to remove the heavy rust from the metal parts. Now we repair his machinery. I will soak these pots in a cleaning solution to get rid of all the dirt. Now we repair his broken parts. The motor looks dirty. Let's give it a deep clean and apply some fresh grease. Now we closing his screws. Checking the gears to make sure everything is moving smoothly. So finally, our old screwdriver are new. If you enjoyed this restoration, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.